I'm thinking, I'm not sure how things are gonna be, but we're gonna try to make it on that, so that Saturday morning, Saturday
Okay, so
morning.
we are gonna go now?
Yeah, do you think you're gonna try, are you
Yeah.
gonna be okay? Okay, because I
I'll try to
thought,
make sure it's everything in ready.
yeah, so like Friday night I'm gonna be busy, because.
Well, I'll be busy too because I have stuff due on Sunday, so I have to get it all done. But I think I can
What do
get
you
it
think
done.
you have to do on Sunday?
Well, I have something due for my course, I think.
Oh, okay,
But
well,
I'll hopefully get it done by Friday
now
night, so
in
that's
advance. Okay, so
yeah,
you
so
work on
that's
it during the
finished.
during the week.
Yeah, that's what I did this week.
If you can't, it's fine,
I should be
But
if I.
I also have, like, next weekend will be the weekend just before my group has an exam, and then there's a turnaround, and I get another group, like it's a half a course, so then the new course starts on the Wednesday, so they have an exam on the Monday, and then I'm finishing off on Tuesday, and then new group starting on Wednesday. So I think, like, I need to have everything ready, marking and all that stuff in advance. I did a lot this weekend, so, and then I still have to mark their ISP this week, and I still have, and I'll have to mark their exam, but that won't be till the fall. So I'm hoping that will all be done, so that I'll be all set.